Hey guys, hope you are doing well. My name is Mohammad Danish and we are back with another weekly analysis. And in this week we are going to cover only gold because there may be no volume in the next week and there's mostly the holidays. So we will try to cover, but maybe next week I'm not gonna trade any pair, but let's see. On the other hand, we will also discuss what we predicted last week and how the market behaved. So let's dive into charts, and first we will do the recap and then the forecast as well. So here we have the H4 gold chart, which we used for the last week analysis. Personally, I was bullish for the gold last week, but you see the price initially, like our buy price was, which I have discussed with you, like the buy price would be like 26.32, but here I personally did not take any sort of buy here. My first trade for the week was sell, and I have taken a sell around 26.46. Also I have taken a sell around 26.39. So, and this trade has been shared with the community as well. So, and in this trade we have cashed almost like 100 plus pips here. And then the next trade, which was I have taken during the FOMC, which I had a loss. So I had taken a trade around 26 and I was expecting like the price will respect this zone and just create a spike and will go bullish, but during FOMC it was all the way drop, and this trade will was also shared with the community as well, and we have taken a loss along with the community. And then the main trade we have taken, and I have shared detail with the community as well, the last trade, which was we have taken a sell around 26.17 and followed by another one trade which was 26.26. And for these trades, like I have personally taken a sell around 26.17 as well. So this trade given us a good, like I have catch almost 200 pips here and almost hit like 2600. So in this trade I have taken a TP as well. So overall I would say it was a slow week because, as we know, we are entering into the last week and last part of the year, last month as well. So the volume is dying. So, and we see a lot of big spreads as well. So next week we'll see what price given to us, but personally I would not recommend anyone to trade, but let's see, we will analyze the pair as well. So this is all we have in terms of last week recap. So overall I have ended up as a profitable week, but I have taken only 3 trades, in which 2 of them was profitable and 1 of them is a loss, which I have taken during the FOMC. So yeah, this is all we have in terms of recap for the last week. So let's cover the forecast for the next week regarding the gold. So here we have the daily time frame. So as I already discussed, like maybe next week we do not see any sort of volume because there is a holiday started, Christmas holidays and end of the year holidays as well. So maybe in the next week we do not have much volume, but let's analyze as per our weekly routine. So let me draw some zones. So last week and from the last couple of weeks we have continuously discussed this zone, like this is a make or break level for the gold. So, and you see the price break this zone and then all the way drop to 25.84, and then the candle retrace up, and now it is retesting this zone 24.25. Now what we can expect next? So personally, if gold needs to go bullish, it should break this zone again, and then the next hurdle that gold can face around this area. And yeah, so this is a zone where I would not prefer any sort of trade, because this is a kind of a range and you never know where price can get rejected. So this is a kind of zone you can avoid in terms of swing trade, but for the day trade perspective you can look for 60-70 pips easily. But as I said, like we are entering into the last part of the year, so we made next week we may do not have such sort of volume. And then personally I'm bearish for now because this zone has been break down, and so I personally expect like the next week the price hold this zone and come down to retest this level. Not sure whether we have such volume next week and price can come down all the way here, but we will see. And I will look for sell position we can look for sell position here in terms of swing trade. And then in the high side, on the day-to-day based trade, we can look in this range if we get it. But otherwise, the good swing trade option would be like once price break this zone 2654 again, and then we can target this high. But hopefully such sort of move we will get in the first week or the second week of January. So let's move to the H4 time frame and see what price is offering to us. So yeah, here we have the H4 time frame. So let me draw some zones here. So in the high side, currently price is hovering. This whole is a very critical zone here, and price still hovering the same area. It's still not break. And further high side, we have this sort of area as well. I'm not considered this zone, but yeah, we can draw this line. We need to be very careful once price come to this area. Like this can be a rejection area as well, and in the high side this would be as well. So in day-to-day perspective, we can look once price break the high of this candle, we can target this zone. And but so this range is very messy, so that is why I'm not very much interested for the next week to trade. And also, as I said, like the volume is dying due to end of year, so we'll see. And personally, I'm more in a bearish way next week. And in the downside, we have this zone. Minimum price should come down to this area like 2603, and here is the zone here. Once price break this wick or candle in the downside, and we may expect like price can easily come down and retest this zone area as well. So this in the downside, I would say the area is very good and we can look for sell option. But in the high side, the range is very messy. So but we'll see if price create a new range here, then we can look for more bullish way. But now the way price break down all the way towards 2585, I'm not expecting like the price will go all the way bullish and break this all the way. But yeah, we need to be flexible in the market, and whatever the price is offering to us, we need to follow the same. But for now, I'm more bearish than a bullish. So this is all we have in terms of gold. Also, we have the Discord community, and you can join there and enjoy my day-to-day base analysis as well. And this is all we have for this year. And I wish you all best of luck and wish you happy new year as well. So have a great day. Thank you so much.